What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. Welcome to my rental shop, where today we're gonna learn what I know about event rental dance floor, wedding dance floor, Snaplock dance floor, specifically Snaplock. Let's get into it. Okay, so what I have here are some 3x3 panels of dark maple Snaplock dance floor. Yeah, so essentially, actually underneath you can see that it's 4 tiles, but it's just one laminate piece that's glued on top here of the 4 tiles. Okay, so right here we're gonna deal with a 6x6 space, which is 4 tiles, just to make it easy. I don't have much room in the out bay of the shop, so 4 tiles will work perfectly, and let's show you how to put them together. So it's important to have the male pieces sticking out for every new piece that you want to add on, so that the female piece can just be rested over it and then it can just be stomped on down instead of having to lift up one of the panels. Make sure the grain's flowing the same way. Okay, so dance floor. Easy as that. You just lay them down on top of each other. Keep the grain the same way, and have the female sides go over the male sides. And then once they're down, there's edging pieces. I've got a box of edging pieces here, and they literally just snap into place. Okay, so once it's installed, that's when you clean it. I mean, have you ever mopped the floor before? It's hard to install flooring without getting it dirty. So why not just install it the way it is and then clean it? So I'm gonna clean it. I've got Vim cleaner right here. So Vim floor cleaner, that's what I use. I get it from the dollar store. It actually smells fantastic. The customers always say how nice it smells. Okay, when it comes to installing dance floor, what do you do first?
The subfloor.
The subfloor, yeah. So we just lay it down and then basically screw it down, right? So we'll screw down the subfloor now. Okay, so when I first bought this dance floor, my main question on my mind was, do I need a subfloor? Can I just lay it over grass? Like, how does it work? And here's the answer right here. If you're putting it on grass, yes, you need a subfloor. Can you use plywood as a subfloor? Yes, you can. Here we go. Yeah, you need a subfloor to put it in under tents in grass, but I just use 5/8 plywood sheets, and then I screw them together with little hinges and T25 screws. It works absolutely fantastic. You don't need a subfloor if you're gonna do it on a hard floor like this. And then you put the edging on floors like this. Honestly, if you're putting a floor with subfloor on grass, don't bother putting the edging around, as it just sits weird on top. It doesn't flow very well. So plus the grass pretty much hides the edging of the dance floor. Customers haven't ever said anything about, hey, where's the edging on this dance floor? It's just like, here's your dance floor. So to do my subfloor, I just bring this little kit with me. This kit here, it's just got hinge pieces, and it's got T25 screws and a T25 bit, and it just gets packed with the dance floor, and those are all the hardware pieces that screw my dance floor. Okay, so I haven't tried the Palmer Snyder dance floor or the other kinds of dance floors that actually have subfloors built into them. So they're plywood, they're a little more sturdy. But honestly, I think that if you're starting out, this is the far superior dance floor. It's not that hard to set up. You just have to, bang it in. However, my tent mentor, tent guy and other entrepreneur stuff, begs to differ about the subject. So I have to give him a shout out on this channel because he does deal with Palma Schneider flooring, or I think it's called Seco flooring. And so he has a lot to say about what he thinks about dance floor. So definitely check out his video as well. I'll show a clip and then you click into it, okay? But watch my whole video first.
Dance floor. There's a lot of different kinds of dance floor out there. Some are cheaper than others, and people kind of want to go with the cheap, but if you go with the more expensive, it's way easier, way faster, and I'll explain all the reasons why.
All right, back to me. Plus, this dance floor is way cheaper. It's $90 Canadian per 3x3 panel, and yeah. Correction, it was $90 a panel when I bought it like 5 months ago, but prices have just went boom, way up. So that's one more reason to buy. Just buy it now before the prices go up. So let's face it, when pricing things for a rental company, you want to have things low priced with hidden extra charges so that all the people who are scouting out prices, they'll go with you, right? So essentially, Snaplock dance floor, because it doesn't come with the subfloor, then people look at the dance floor prices and they're like, oh, it's this much per tile, versus the other company who has the other dance floor, which has the subfloor built into it, and it looks like it's more expensive per tile. And you can kind of get an edge in that way because the initial ticket price looks smaller. And then when they do end up booking, they realize it's around the same price, but they're already invested with you, so you'll get the booking. I bought dance floor at the start of this year. I put it inside packages with the idea that I was going to sub-rent it. And then I took enough bookings throughout the year to just buy the dance floor before any of the bookings came to fruition. So the dance floor paid for itself before I even had it out once, which was fantastic. Another thing is, this dance floor isn't going to devalue itself. It's going to only go up in value. So when you're ready to get into some better dance floor, then you just sell this stuff and buy more. It's a no-brainer. So my plan this year, which kind of failed, is I'm going to take some pictures with dance floor going down an aisle with barrels side by side and bring it as a package. So don't think of the dance floor just as a dance floor. You can also think of it as, you know, a runner or an aisle or whatever the heck you want it to be, right? Think outside the box. Everyone, thank you for watching my video. If this is your first time here, please press the subscribe button. You'll get to see more of my content. If you're one of my regular watchers, can you press the thumbs up for me? That really just helps YouTube know that my videos are good, if you think that they're good. Yeah. And do me another favor, put some dance floor on your website and start getting those bookings through the winter so that when summer comes again, your dance floor is paid for you already as well. Thanks for watching. You stay classy.